Spring is in the air, and you know what that means. It's time to spring into action and get our homes organized. In this narrative, we explore some practical tips and tricks to help you declutter and refresh your space. When it comes to organizing, we all put it off, procrastinate, and feel overwhelmed by the amount of stuff we have, unsure where to start. Clutter can be overwhelming, and it's easy to be bogged down with emotional attachment to our belongings. Thoughts like, "But I might need this someday," or "This was a gift from my grandma, I can't get rid of it," can lead to spaces filled with things we don't need, use, or love. Another common challenge is the lack of space in our homes. In a world of constant marketing, accumulation is easy, but our homes can only hold so much. Creativity in handling space is crucial. One of the specific organizing tricks is the one in, one out rule. It maintains balance by ensuring that whenever you bring something new into your home, something old is removed. Another helpful trick is using storage bins and baskets to keep items out of sight and organized by category. Particularly useful for seasonal decorations, out-of-season clothes, or kids' toys. Designating spaces for frequently used items, like a junk drawer or a launch pad near the front door, helps in keeping clutter at bay. It makes needed items easily accessible. Vertical storage is also key. Utilizing wall-mounted shelves, hooks, and bins maximizes space and keeps floors and surfaces clear. An effective method for organizing is the zone cleaning approach, where you divide your space into different zones, such as a kitchen or bedroom. Focusing on one zone at a time by clearing clutter and organizing items makes tasks more manageable. Sharing a real-life transformation, a client's cluttered home office served as a challenge. By clearing out trash, organizing papers and supplies, and creating a productive workspace, she found a renewed sense of peace and productivity. The key takeaways include implementing the one in, one out rule, using designated spaces, and trying zone cleaning. These simple tricks make a significant difference in how you feel about your space. Offering inspiration to get started on a refreshed and organized living area.